my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button down here. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family, subscribe. It won't remove anything from your body to just click that button and subscribe to my channel. So please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and make me a very happy camper. So today's video, as you guys have read from the title, I am here to do an unboxing. So I'm going to, it's like an unboxing and a wear of this product. So the product I am going to be unboxing and reviewing today is the Kayge Cosmetics Nude Lip Kit. So I'm sure if you've been following my channel or if you've been with me for some time now, you would have seen that I use Kayge Cosmetics a lot. I use their lip gloss a lot, and yeah, so recently they just launched a new set of matte lipsticks, their Nude Lip Kit collection, and I was privileged enough to be sent the lip kit. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly unbox it with you guys and show you guys what the lip kit looks like, and yeah, every other thing that follows. Yeah, so if you would like to watch this unboxing / review, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just want to give you guys a little backstory about Kayge Cosmetics. So if you've been following me for the longest time, you will know the backstory, but if you've not, I'm just going to briefly brief you about Kayge Cosmetics. So Kayge Cosmetics is a Nigerian brand based in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. So they are a solely lip brand. So like all their products are like lip products. They have products from lip glosses to lipsticks to matte lipstick. So anyone that you want, they have it, different shades, different colors. So yeah, I'm obsessed with their glosses. Like almost all my tutorials I use Kayge Cosmetics gloss. So yeah, so like I said, I was privileged enough to be sent the new lip kit. They just came out with this. They just launched it, I think 2 weeks ago or so, and yeah, they sent this to me. So I'm just going to quickly unbox this package right now, and yeah, let's just see what's inside. So this is how the package comes. It comes in this really cute bag, Kayge Cosmetics bag here. So it's such a nice pretty bag. So they have all their details and informations on the bag. So opening the bag up, what's inside? Okay, so there's a little thank you note from Kayge Cosmetics. It says, "Hi Onyinye, in a world full of options, I wanted to take a moment and say thank you for choosing us." Oh, so sweet. I hope you enjoy your new Kayge Cosmetics lip products as much as I enjoyed producing it. I look forward to hearing your thoughts once you have gotten your hands on your new additions. I'm a phone call away. Thank you once again for your support. I appreciate you. Much love and lipstick, Kalani. Keep in touch and stay safe. So the founder of Kayge Cosmetics is actually a good friend of mine. Like we went to school together, and stuff like that. So her name is Kalani Ebiye Koripamo. So yeah, she is the founder of Kayge Cosmetics. So there, thank you Kalani for this really sweet note. I really appreciate it. Then it comes with a card. This is a card. So basically it describes the kind of glosses they have, the types of lipstick they have, the type of pencils and lip stains. So basically the types of lip products that they have is all described on this card. So and then it comes with this. So they also provide like skincare, makeup and skincare consultation. So if you're looking to get or if you're looking for a consultation on maybe like your skincare, or you want to improve on your makeup game or your skincare routine, you can always contact them for skincare consultation. They have skincare consultation, routine, teen skin consultation. So if you're a mother and you have a teenager, most teenagers suffer from a lot of acne and stuff like that. So yeah, pre and post pregnancy consultation, menopause skin consultation, follow-ups, like whatever skin problem you feel you have, just give them a call, or you can send them a DM on Instagram. I'm going to put their Instagram link in the description box. So if you would like to order these products, or if you'd like to just, you know, hit them up for a skincare consultation, just send them a DM through their Instagram. Their Instagram link will be in the description box. So yeah, so now let us jump right into the main goodie. Drum roll. So this is what the Nude Lip Kit looks like. It is such a pretty black, and like, I love the black and gold packaging. It is just so gorgeous. Like, it's simple, but it's also elegant in the same, like, in the same note. Like, you know, simplicity and elegance together. Like, the gold just gives it that touch of elegance, which is like really, really beautiful. Like, I love the packaging. It is so nice. So let me just quickly open up the lips, the package, and show you what is inside here. Okay guys, so opening it up, I'm just going to, oh wow, okay, hold up, okay, it's empty. So this is what comes inside the lip kit. So let me just open it. It looks like a precious egg. Oh my goodness, wow, oh wow guys, you need to see this. Like, so the lip kit comes in 3 shades, guys. Can you see this shades? Like how gorgeous are these shades? Like, it's the nude lip kit, so just look at these nude colors. Like, how beautiful are they? Wow, these colors are so gorgeous. And it also comes with 2 lip pencils. So these are the lip pencils that it comes with in the lip kit. So like a dark brown and then a light brown. So guys, like, I just like I love the packaging. Like, it's so sleek. Like, it looks so sleek. So the names of each, this shade is called Ritzy. So this is Ritzy. It's like what's like a beige nude. Ritzy is like a beige kind of nude. Then this is Naked. So this shade is Naked. This is Naked. So this is kind of like a mauvey pink. It's kind of like a mauvey pink. Then the last shade is called Sexy. So this is like a reddish brown, or a brown, I don't know, reddish brown shade kind of. So yeah, it's called Sexy. So it says it's a liquid to matte lipstick. I'm so excited to try this. So the 2 lip pencils that it comes with is Lush and Bare. So the dark brown lipstick is called Lush, and then the light brown is called Bare. So I am super excited to try out these lipsticks. So let's just quickly go into the wear test, you know, and review of these Kayge Cosmetics lipsticks. So let's go.
Let's have a good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good.
It smells like chocolate. So I'm just going to try these lipsticks without the pencils first. I just want to see, like, feel the texture of the lipsticks, and then show you guys the shades of the lipsticks without their liners. So yeah, let me just, so the first shade I'm trying is Ritzy.
Standard.
It's fake kills. Guys, it feels like it's so lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel like I even have anything on my lips, which is quite nice. Like, you know, there are some lipsticks that you try on and they feel so heavy, but this one doesn't feel heavy at all. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my lips. So let me just see if it comes off easily. So I'm just taking a wipe. Okay, so it comes off easy, like not so easy though, but yeah, it's not like there are some lipsticks that are hard. You have to like do tooth and nail to be able to take the lipstick off, but this is not so bad. It's not so bad. It's coming off easy. So you can, if you're not one for the stress, then you can always use coconut oil or any kind of oil to take off the lipstick. So
Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Mana wine, say she give me dirty wine. Mana grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking.
Guys, how gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous are these lip shades. Like, I am totally in love with them. Like, they are amazing. All three shades are so beautiful, and you can, even without the lip pencil, you can even match like this shade called Sexy can be used, like the one I have on can be used as a lip liner. Like what more can you ask for? I'm just going to put Ritzy now. Like, you have the perfect ombre lip, like so gorgeous, like so gorgeous. Like, I'm absolutely in love. Let me just quickly swatch the lip pencils on the back of my hand. Oh wow, these pencils are so creamy. Oh wow, guys, these pencils are so creamy. Like, this is Lush. This dark brown here is Lush. Like, it doesn't even take too much effort to actually swatch these pencils. So imagine using it on your lip, and this is Bare. Like, they are just absolutely beautiful shades. Like, I'm totally in love with this. So guys, one thing I would say about them is that, you know, I said earlier that they're actually easy to remove. They're actually not easy to remove. Like, when they completely dry up, they are not that easy to remove. So because I think when I removed the first shade, it wasn't like totally dry, so that's why it was kind of easy to remove. But when they are completely set on your lips, like, you have to use like coconut oil or some sort of oil to actually take them off, because I had to like get coconut oil to take them. So that's a good thing for them, not like coming off so easily. At least you know that your lipstick is going to last all day long. And I like the fact that it feels lightweight, so you know, it doesn't feel like, there's some lipsticks that you apply and now feels like as if you have a load on your lip, but this one doesn't feel like that. It feels very, very light. So it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my lip right now. And it also gives you that moisturizing feeling. Like, it doesn't feel dry. There are some matte lipsticks that you use that, you know, your lips start to feel dry, start to crack up and everything, but this doesn't feel dry whatsoever. I don't feel like I even have anything on my lips. I don't feel like my lip is dry. Like, my lip still feels moisturized, you know, and everything. So that is actually good for a matte lipstick. Like, not a lot of matte lipsticks actually do that. So yeah, this is a made in Nigeria brand. So guys, if you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria and you would love to get these lipsticks, they are available right now. So guys, this is my review of the Kayge Cosmetics Nude Lip Kit. I am totally in love with it. Like, if I run out of these, I am definitely going to purchase it. So yeah, if you're interested, even if you're abroad, I think they do ship abroad, but I don't know about now with the whole corona and everything. I don't know how shipping is right now, but definitely they do ship abroad. So if you are abroad and you're interested in getting these lip kits, I am pretty sure they ship abroad. So like I said before, I'm going to be dropping their Instagram link or their Instagram handle in the description box. So if you're interested, you can always send them a DM through their Instagram, you know, to find out if they ship abroad. But I'm pretty sure they do ship abroad, but anywhere in Nigeria they ship too. So guys, this is my review and unboxing for the new Kayge Cosmetics lip kit. Guys, go patronize made in Nigeria products. If you're in Nigeria, patronize Nigerian brands. Like, these brands are killing it. They're steady moving, like, you know, moving and catching up, even passing some of these international brands, which is quite nice, you know. So we need to support our Nigerian brothers and sisters who are doing all these things. So yeah, support made in Nigeria brands. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Like I said, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.